Hello. Welcome to this MyCSF training session on advanced assessment configuration. Most users are familiar with entering an assessment name, selecting a framework, and setting a reporting period. But the real value of assessment configuration comes from accurately defining your organization's environment so that the assessment reflects the controls you actually need to implement. In this video, we'll look at how to configure facilities and systems in scope and how to use the differences report to understand the impact of adding factors such as AI, HIPAA, or other regulatory requirements. Let's begin by reviewing the assessment configuration settings. As organizations grow, multiple facilities, business units, applications, and environments often fall within the scope of a certification. Rather than treating every assessment the same, MyCSF allows you to document what is actually in scope. Adding facilities and systems helps establish context for the assessment and provides reviewers with a clear understanding of what environments are being evaluated. One of the most powerful features of assessment configuration is the ability to evaluate optional risk and compliance factors. For example, suppose your organization begins processing HIPAA-regulated data, introduces artificial intelligence technologies, or expands into a new regulatory environment. Rather than guessing how these additions affect the assessment, MyCSF allows you to model those changes before committing to them. This report compares the current assessment configuration with the proposed configuration and identifies changes in requirements. Pay close attention to new controls being introduced. Existing controls receiving additional requirement statements. Changes in domain composition. Overall control count impacts. This allows your team to estimate effort before making configuration decisions. Organizations frequently use this capability during planning exercises, pre-sales discussions, and compliance strategy sessions. The differences report helps answer questions such as, what happens if we add HIPAA? What additional requirements would AI technologies introduce? How much larger would our assessment become? Instead of relying on estimates, teams can make decisions using real assessment data. Effective assessment configuration ensures that your assessment accurately reflects your operational environment. By defining facilities and systems in scope and using the differences report to evaluate new factors, organizations can make informed compliance decisions and better plan future certification efforts. For more information, please contact a customer success manager or visit HITRUSTalliance.net.